How to upload widescreen video on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload widescreen video on your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us get started. You can upload the widescreen video on your TikTok by using the CapCut application. In case you don't have CapCut, open up your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in CapCut. Once you do so, open your app and here tap on New Project. It will open up your gallery section. Here tap on any video that you would like to upload. Now here go on to aspect ratio. You can see its ratio, make it to 16:9. Once done, tap on the download icon on your top right and tap on save to device. Once your video has been downloaded, you can directly go to share to TikTok. As you do so, it will open up your TikTok account from your device. Tap on to next. Write in the caption and tap on post. So uploading gets completed, tap open it, and this is how it will look like once it's done. And just like so, this is how you can upload widescreen video on your TikTok. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.